Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What's up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back y'all to do a review and unboxing of 3 items. And what is in this year box? From the face of it and the details and the title of the video, you know what it is. And if anybody's a fan of Roger Corman, comments down below. Enough chit chat, let's open it up like now. Alrighty, so this is how it came packaged with the tail separated. It took a little hard to put it in, but here it is. Link will be in the description box. You can follow them on Instagram. Let me just, there we go. And that's their famous logo. Alrighty, let's get to the toy, like now. Alrighty, here is the Deinonychus and all of its nastiness. Nastiness indeed. Oh, I gotta make sure the camera's in a much upper angle. There we go. So yeah, look how big is this son of a gun. Or measure it like this, how it's capable of dragging its tail like modern lizards. There we go. Amazing sculpt, the claws. The inside of its jaws. The eyes. Yes. So yeah, what do you think? You've never seen this type of dinosaur. It's the Deinonychus. Deinonychus is a very aggressive villain foe that we see in the first installments of Carnosaur. The capability of what it can do. Sorry if I was speaking like that. The ability of what it's capable of, tearing its claws at its prey and making it a very aggressive, territorial creature. If anybody remembers Carnosaur, let me know in the comments down below. Very formidable creature that we see in the first movie. You can see it without its jaw opening. So yeah, the very antagonist we see in the original one, and this one was aggressive, very mean, very evil. Until it gets blasted by the sheriff and then kills the sheriff and then blows his head off, and then he blows his head off. Its head off. So yeah. So like I said, anybody seen Carnosaur, let me know in the comments, because the first one came out before Jurassic Park, just about a month ago. It marked 33 years since the first Carnosaur. Now we have, and yeah, then we have Jurassic Park. Very, very unique. Shouts to the people at Aulita Heroes Figures. Link will be in the description box, and I'll leave you a video to Andy's dinosaur reviews. So yeah, and this was, and the sculpted design of the creature was done by John Carl Beekler and the shop Magical Media Industries. I believe they were paid 10 grand to do the creatures. And the puppetries, the wardrobe, and the suits were astonishing. From the miniatures to the full size. Here it is at a different pose. So yeah, very unique in its own way. Look at the jaws, the teeth, every aspect detailed. So, what do you call the name? I can't even say it right. I'll probably just butcher it. But here are the names. Shouts to you folks over at Aulita's Heroes. Yep, amazing. So yeah, and also the hand puppets that Beekler designed. Either Beekler hold the puppet in the when it's in the construction site, like walking at night. That was a hand puppet. Either director Adam Simon was using it or Beekler used it. You can position it however you like. And the claws you can articulate anywhere you like. Tail you could articulate, but you saw me put for the record, when you receive it, you got to put the tail in. Easy and hard at the same time. So yeah, you don't see the tail much of it until the end, where he meets its demise by the sheriff. Amazing scale patterns up to the tail. Amazing, isn't it, folks? Very cool figure. Shout out to the folks over at Aulita's Heroes. I'm gonna leave you the link for their Instagram page. I'm gonna leave you the link also for their website. And I'll leave you the video to my buddy Andy from Andy's Dinosaur Reviews. He is a big fan of Jurassic Park and Carnosaur and other dinosaur movies. And tell me something, folks. Which was your very first dinosaur movie you saw? Whether it was anime or live action. Let me know in the comments. And if anybody's a fan of Prehysteria, you know what I'm talking about. Also, I'll leave you a link for Clinton Floroti, who is a big Jurassic Park fan. I'm going to leave you the link for the video called Tiptree's List. So yeah, I'll leave you that in the description box. So yeah, folks. If you like content like this or any other content on this channel, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content or the year that the content was released, comments down below. Also, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, travelers, bloggers, convention goers, cosplayers, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all. And let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all, kitty cats and dogs. Shouts to you all. And what else? And when I say click the bell, check it out also for my YouTube posts. Check it out both daily and weekly. You'll never know what's going to pop up, folks, so keep an eye on it daily and weekly. So yeah. Wow. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the weekend, y'all. And Friday. Enjoy Friday and the weekend. Later, y'all.